Well, where did our run bring us today? More hidden gems. Streamlined for racing, right? No, I believe these were used in orchards, exactly like it says. We keep the backhoes from damaging, I guess, the close rows of crops that were planted. I can't remember exactly what type of crops these were used in. An old McCormick. See if we can get the side wing opened up. Oh yeah, here we go. No fuel injection there. Try to read that afterwards. Big old farm, huh? I'm almost sure Roy's got a model, one of these that starts on gasoline or something like that, and then it literally shifts into becoming a diesel. I forget what those were called and the type of models they were, but wouldn't that be interesting if they could adapt that to use in this day and age in cars? Have them start on gas to be reliable in the morning when it's really cold, then shift to diesel for economics. See what we got around the corner. Huh. Old International dump truck. Let's take a step way up. Air brakes too. Jump down, way down. PTO. Now this might be the one I was speaking of. Is this the one that would start half on gas? Yes, it is. This is the one. It starts off as a gasoline engine or as a spark ignition engine. Then once it warms up, you turn a switch or you throw a lever and it becomes a diesel. Talk about a split personality. Couple back here. All tucked away. So nice. A few of them. Hubcaps, anybody? Huh. Look at that. Even from a 66, 67 AMC, Pontiac Acadian. It's roughly a 75 Chevelle, I'm figuring. Big Oldsmobile from the early 70s. Tons of wheel covers, my goodness. And what are they piled into? A nice old International. Amazing the things you'll find when you're out and about just looking for simple little car parts, and then these gems come your way. Ancient old GE headlight. I'm going to try to open that up now. Check out the radio. That's not a stock radio, but it's just the way it's so nicely put into the truck. Yeah, the old 3 on the tree. 1, 2, 3 if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I drove and then one of these things and reverses up like that. There we go. These are great for rocking in snow when you get stuck that much, I remember. Reverse and then right down to first, though. Very easy to rock and get out of mud and the snow. International was one of the first makers to offer a limited slip differential on their pickup trucks. They called it exactly what it was made by the people that they were buying it from. It was called a Power Lock by Dana. So here we have it. Zip around. Hidden gems. International. Huh. 55, 56 Buick hubcaps. Like roughly a 62, 63 Chevy. What a selection. Something there for everybody. Huh. 68 Pontiac. What a wealth of parts. Bits and pieces somebody could certainly use out there. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Keep those old cars and old tractor dreams alive. It's a 1950, I believe, this model. Talk about sheer and utter simplicity. Look at that. No fuel injection wiring harnesses to worry about over here. Hook up a couple of wires and it should be good to go. Love the way these hoods open up from side to side. Like I said, I'm not too sure how the mechanism is, so I don't want to play around too much with this, so I'm just holding it open, and so we can just take a quick look underneath and see what it's all about.